Let's learn to read. Simple sentences, 3, 4, and 5-word sentences. Bat is big. Bat is big. Dog did sit. Dog did sit. Pat got wet. Pat got wet. Rat is big. Rat is big. Pig did win. Pig did win. Fox is red. Fox is red. The dog ran. The dog ran. The sun is hot. The sun is hot. The van is red. The van is red. The cat sat. The cat sat. The man ran. The man ran. Tom had fun. Tom had fun. Tom is 10. Tom is 10. The hen is red. The hen is red. The rat ran. The rat ran. The pot is hot. The pot is hot. The pig is big. The pig is big. The fox hid. The fox hid. The pet is sad. The pet is sad. Jan has a mug. Jan has a mug. The cup is hot. The cup is hot. Sam had a pan. Sam had a pan. Mom has a bag. Mom has a bag. Sam sat on the rug. Sam sat on the rug. The frog can hop. The frog can hop. The ram is in mud. The ram is in mud. The rat has a hat. The rat has a hat. Pam sat on a log. Pam sat on a log. Dan did not run. Dan did not run. Jan fed the red cat. Jan fed the red cat. Thank you. Great job.